Still good, still very good. And can be eaten. Enjoy.